In this video we will look at JSON, a text format used everywhere on the web, and how Python's built-in JSON module makes it effortless to read and write. JSON is just a string, but it is structured, so any language can read it. Python ships with a JSON module that handles all the conversion for you, no installation needed. We start by importing JSON. This module is part of Python's standard library, so it is always available. You never need to install anything extra. On line 3, json.dumps takes a Python dictionary and returns a JSON string. The name dumps is short for dump to string. The result is stored in the variable s. Line 4 prints two things. First, the raw JSON string s, then the result of json.loads, which parses that string back into a real Python dictionary you can work with. The output shows two things side by side. On the left is the JSON string with double quotes. That is what travels over the web. On the right is the Python dictionary that loads gave us back. A quick way to remember them: dumps has a D for departing data, you are sending it out. Loads has an L for landing data, you are bringing it in. That is JSON in a nutshell. Two functions, dumps to go out, loads to come in, and you can exchange data with any web service or file on the planet.